This is how we make additional $20,000 for our client. Hey, this is Andrew, the founder of Flowium email marketing agency, as well as this YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to discuss Black Friday Cyber Monday strategy, part 1 case study. It's not only to show what we deliver to our client. You can learn from this and apply the same thing in your business. I know we almost done with Black Friday Cyber Monday. However, you can use the same strategy not only for Black Friday Cyber Monday, you can use it for any kind of a holiday, big holiday promotion, or you can use the strategy for the next year. So either one is fine. Are you ready for Black Friday, Cyber Monday and other holidays? Is your marketing strategy set and up to speed with new trends? I'm excited to announce that we released our first Flowium book, which covers the latest email marketing strategies for Black Friday, Cyber Monday and holidays. You can grab your own copy today at flowium.com/holiday. This book will help you to maximize customer growth and revenue throughout the busiest season of the year. So first of all, I have this video that I released it last year. I'm not sure how many people implemented, but people who implemented, I guarantee got a great result. By the way, this is not my strategy. This strategy I learned from Ezra Firestone, and each year we applying and implementing for our clients, and we are improving a little bit, changing things. And this year we changed it, and I would like to show you what we changed and how we did it. First of all, but I want to talk about this video to give you a general overview of the strategy so you know what I'm talking about. So the idea here is to build a landing page, waiting list landing page for your Black Friday Cyber Monday promotion, and start promoting that landing page as soon as you can. First week of November, middle of October, it's up to you. But basically this is landing page, and you are driving as much as possible traffic to that page. So you can do paid ads to that page, you can send few campaigns to your current list, you can add banners to your website, you can add banners to the emails in the flow, in the automations, and any other marketing channel that I never thought about, like organic social media posts and so forth. So the goal is to build the list as big as possible. And then, I mean, they redirect it to either thank you page or a thank you message, and then they will receive confirmation email. So this part we changed. Confirmation message we changed. Why we changed it? Because I was inspired by one speaker at the event Traffic and Conversion 2021 in San Diego, by one speaker, Beer. He is the CEO of Born Primitive e-commerce company, and he said when people are joining either a waiting list or maybe joining some kind of giveaway which will happen in the future, they want to get something right now, so everybody feels like a winner. So what we did in our updated Black Friday Cyber Monday waiting list strategy, we deliver the discount right away and saying while you're waiting, here's a dollar amount discount, use it in the next 48 hours. And let me show you how it worked, and you decide if it was successful or not. On my opinion, it was, but it's up to you to make the final decision. So as you can see, this automation generated additional $20,000, and it's a simple confirmation email, and it was $2.03 per recipient, which is high for e-commerce industry. So let's check the logic in this automation. And on the landing page, we said nothing about the discount, so it was not incentive for them to opt in. However, when they opt in, to some people we delivered the discount. As you can see, there's 3 different paths. So this people did not receive any discount. Why? Because they are existing subscribers. So we're just saying, hey, thank you for opting in. We'll let you know when we have our first sales, you will have exclusive access. And as you can see, the open rate is through the roof. Click-through rate, click rate. I have another video explaining about what's the difference between click rate and click-through rate. It's not the same. Place order 1.6 and additional $10,000, and it was delivered to almost 6,000 people. So 6,000 people opted in. So these people, no discount. So no discount. Only those 2 groups receive discount, and those 2 set of emails are identical. So this and this, same as this and this. So like same same. We just want to separate and see the performance, because this email we send only to people who purchase 1 time or 2 times, and this people we want to send only to new email subscribers, somebody who was not part of email marketing database before, they opted in, and that's why we want to separate them. And as you can see, we collected additional 582 new email subscriber, which looks to me very small. I don't know why. We need to evaluate further, and this is the first part of the case study. We'll have another video where we go deeper in the future when we are done with Black Friday, because I want to evaluate how much money that small group generated and was it successful or not. Okay, so as you can see, 56% open rate, which is still high, 20% click-through rate, extremely high, 5.2 placed order. Compared to this, it's, as you can see, much higher. However, the revenue generated is much smaller, but it's in comparison to this list, it's high, because percentage wise is almost what, almost 4 times higher. Then we wait, and so the strategy here, so here's we have discount, dollar amount discount, and here we follow up and say, hey, last chance to get the discount. So it's like, hey, it's like urgency, because it is that discount truly expire in 48 hours. So that's why we want, like, hey, you didn't use it, make sure to use it. And again, 41% and additional 2.5% of the place order, which is extremely high as well. This is, as I said before, this is only went to somebody who already purchased 1 or 2 times. And again, high open rate, high click-through rate, high placed order, relatively not high revenue, but high place order, because it's like only 2,100 people receive this. And the same thing here is the same strategy, wait 36 hours and the follow-up message. So you decide if it was successful or not successful. One thing that I personally believe it was not as successful is number of new email subscribers. It was like almost 600. However, those people converted higher than any other 2 group. Why? Because it displays order of like 5.2 conversion rate, and here's 4.5, and this is like 1.6. So as you can see, data does not lie. You must to implement this for your next Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or any other holiday. I'm extremely terrible at self-promotion. So recently we released this new book, and this is like seasonal, but if you have any other holidays in the year, this book does not apply only for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, but does apply for other holidays. And every year we will be updating with a new case studies, with a new strategies, and the strategy I just described will be in the new version of this book next year, 2022. In case you have any additional questions or you have any other strategies, ideas, please leave them below. I'm checking those every day, not responding as quick, sometimes like too much work and I have to do work, but I'm doing my best to respond to all of your questions and comments. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, because we're releasing this kind of videos every Thursday, and also sometimes we have Flowium Explained Tuesdays as well. Bye.